Hello again, welcome back. I hope you're all doing fantastically. I often start a project by having a route around my workshop, looking at what bits and pieces I've got to solve a particular problem, and today's no exception. Often when I'm editing a video, I find I've got quite a lot of footage where my hands are in the way of the workpiece and you can't actually see what's going on. So today I want to try and solve that problem by creating a magnetic camera mount. So I've been looking at what bits and pieces I've got available that might help me solve this problem, and what I've come up with is a very strong neodymium rare earth magnet, a broken dash mounted smartphone adapter, and a block of cherry from out of my garden. And I think with these three things I can build a magnetic camera mount so that I can take better videos in the future. Let's get tinkering. I'm going to start by squaring up the edges of this piece of cherry. I set the pillar drill table up to help me hold this block in position. If you haven't got a pillar drill table, it doesn't need to be anything fancy. This one's just made from an old kitchen unit carcass, but this sort of operation does make it a lot easier to use the pillar drill and you get a lot more accurate cuts as a result. For this cut I've set the depth stop, which I repaired. I'll leave a link to the video where I did that. And now I'm going to drill all the way through. I'm using this wedge because I want to cut a wedge off the corner of this piece. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as this, and I can see that this isn't exactly lined up, but by pushing both these through at the same time I will be able to cut that corner off. I finish up sanding all the surfaces on the belt sander. I did originally try 3D printing a mount, but the magnet is so strong the screw just pulled out of the plastic. This is why I'm using a hardwood. This screw will hold the magnet okay. The tripod thread is a 1/4 inch one, and we haven't had English thread sizes in the UK for decades. This is the only bolt I could find in my miscellaneous hardware box that fits, so I cut it to length. Inexplicably, the Allen key that fits the hex head best is a metric one, but it does the job and that's all that counts. So I can move this now to any machine that's got steel on it to do close-up shots. The magnet is very strong, which is why I put this wedge on here so that I can use it to lever the magnet off. And it's not limited to horizontal spaces. I can put it here as well for a bird's eye view. I can even do views like this. Well, I know this isn't your average workshop project, but if you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos with footage from this camera, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.